We got a 2017 Honda Civic. They already went ahead and stole the rims from the vehicle. So we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So if that happens again, the alarm will trigger this time. So basically, the customer doesn't have to carry another fob around like if we would have done an extra unit for him. In this particular car, he has the keyless to go and a real nice remote. He kind of didn't want to lose that. So we went ahead and incorporated the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So yeah, when you arm it, factory alarms do have a delay. You got to give it a few seconds, and then you're able to bang on the window if they try to bust out the lock. Normally what they also take in this vehicle is they go ahead and they try the airbags too. So we already took care of that situation so it doesn't happen again. And this will give you the shock all around the vehicle. If they try to break a window, they try to bust out the keyhole, that will fire off the alarm system as well. This is a nice upgrade if you have a Honda Civic. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. This alarm was installed in Fort Lauderdale. We do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.